Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes, guys. I can't believe. Breaking news on the detoxing water, weight loss, drink, healthy recipe. You know what I mean? A lot of people love it. Look at this. Another bottle of water requested for my detoxing water, guys. I'll tell you something, it is amazing. It is amazing at the moment. A lot of people love it. They said, Chef Ricardo, this is a perfect drink. This is a drink which I love and I want to make it every day, every day, every day, every day, every day as they wake up. This is what they're singing at. Detoxing water with some fresh mint. Look at my mint, guys. My mint is so fresh and nice. And also I have some cucumber and also I have some lemon. Right here we're gonna make a detoxing bottled water. Basically this water is a lot of water for drinking in one day, but it can last up to 24 hours the least, I would say. You know what I mean? You can make them in a smaller bottle, put them in your fridge, drink them daily, or you can drink it straight through the day. That's another way of also detoxing your body. Second thing I must say, too much water is inside of this big bottle right here. So I'm going to be making this for someone today. And you know what I mean, as I said, the detoxing water at the moment is going on really well. A lot of people love it. So just open the water. And I'm going to pour some inside of my glass. Because there's too much water inside of it. So basically, let's get a little bit more of the water outside of it. Just like that. Alright guys. Amazing! It is amazing to know that so many people love this simple little drink right here, and I'm gonna demonstrate. I'm gonna show you how I make it. I make it over and over and over and over and over, guys. This is a drink where people request it for me. Every time someone requests it, I announce it to my fans, to my friends, to my family to say, guys, do this drink. It's a detoxing drink. You know what I mean? You can do your own research about cucumber and about lemon and about also fresh mint. Fresh mint is in some different country they call this different things. You know what I mean? In Jamaica we call it this mint, and you know what I mean, we use it in Jamaica to make tea. You know what I mean? When I come across it and I start to talk about it, I'll recognize that it's good for detoxing your body also. So guys, it is fresh, green and nice. If you want to get the mint, you need to go to your local supermarket, your local shop. Talk to, you know what I mean, the customer service and say, I'd like to get some fresh mint. I saw this on Chef Ricardo YouTube channel and it is fresh mint. Alright, remember, mint. Alright guys, don't forget that one. And this is some fresh cucumber and also lemon, or if you got lime. Lime is fine, you can use lime. So let's go and make this drink. And hopefully you will like it. Subscribe is very important. Leave a comment in the description box. And cucumber, 95% of cucumber is water. That's why so many people have been using it at the moment for detoxing. They recognize that cucumber do help them to lose weight and detox their body. Stay tuned.